Welcome to Mora FC. Yeah, we're gonna do this simple jeans back pocket. Very simple. We're gonna do a simple way. That's the simplest way to do this kind of pocket. So let's get started. The length of the pocket is supposed to be, this one is 10. So you have to fold it into two and give it a nice piece of iron. Just iron it. If you have not subscribed this, I don't know what you are waiting for. Subscribe, like, and share, and comment. You just have to fold in half. The size of the pocket is supposed to be 6.5. You can make it 6, but I always make it 6.5. Then you fold your 1/2 inch. So I need the middle one. So I just have to fold it like this and give it a press and get the middle. So I'll fold it like that, just like this. The length of the pocket is supposed to be 6.5 as well. So I do the 6 by 6. 6.5 by 6.5. So after that, I cut the unwanted part out. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell me what you think. This is a simple way, the simplest way to do a jeans back pocket. Just the simplest way. You don't need to go for drawing a pattern. Just do it like that and just go your way. Comment and share and like. Tell me what you think. Keep supporting Mora FC. Yeah, you can see the 6.5 and 6.5. That is 6.5 by 6.5. So you just have to go by the machine. So let's walk to the machine. You can see 6.5. Everything is accurate. So you just have to sew on top of it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell me what you think. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Mora FC. We are doing stuff. So I measure 3.5 from the back pocket. I measure 3.5. You can see it there. And the other side measure 2.5. 3.5, 2.5 for that part. So you just have to go there and just sew it. Top stitch it, then you sew. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. You know what it is, It's Mora FC. Keep supporting, keep commenting. Thanks for everybody. Thank you for supporting, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting. If you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Mora FC. This is just the beginning. We are going to do more stuff in this channel, so keep on supporting. It's Mora FC. So when you get there, make a top stitch. If you didn't make a top stitch, it will become easy to turn very easily. So thank you for watching. I will appreciate your time. Ciao, we out.